the furniture industry, I mean, to put it in two ways. One is the machinery, that goes into making furniture, and the furniture industry by itself.
Furniture by industry itself,
Industry by itself, there are so many studies done by various agencies, but it's difficult to come to a collective result as what is the size of the industry, because it's very, very unorganized still. I mean, I would say more than 60–70% of the furnitures are still produced by carpenters in India. Only 20 to 30% has gone into the organized sector. But it is predicted to be close to about 100,000 crores. I mean, looking at the population that we have, that's basically I would say, an informal size of the industry. There's no formal study on that. Coming to the machinery, size of the machinery industry, as on today, as we see, it's close to 2,000 crores, the size of the machinery industry. The machines that are being sold in India for the industry, it's close to 2,000 crores. And it's going to grow much, much big now, with the large scale factories coming up, mega factories coming up, a lot of small factories being developed. It's only going to
also opening
grow.
up the new cities,
this one. Yeah, a lot of factories have started coming up in smaller cities, not only in villages. I've seen factories coming up in village and in rural areas. Factories are coming up, and people are buying furnitures in those areas. So that
just to add that thing, morning we met a guy in hotel from Bilaspur who has only 6 lakhs population in Bilaspur.
Correct. Yeah. Even less. I've seen factories, large factories in a small town which has got only 100,000 people population. 1 lakh population, and the guy has got a 50,000 square feet showroom, which nobody in Maharashtra has got, such a big showroom. And he has a very big setup, almost processing close to about 700 panels a day, boards a day, So that's a kind of, and there the potential of this industry, furniture industry. There are people who are specialized. Only when you go to the small towns, you see this furniture guy is selling furniture for 10 districts around his factory for wedding.
Yeah.
His USP is wedding. He has made a set for wedding starting from 50,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees wedding set. Because I think in some areas they have the tradition during wedding to give a furniture, the girl's side, So he has taken that market, and he is doing very, very successful supplying for wedding furniture, and he has made a range for every level of people, starting from 50,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees. And the people who were buying traditionally in the olden days, people were buying the metal cot and the almirah, were gifted, and today people need choice. So it is being migrating from metal to wood now. So people need choice, color, options. So that's how, the industry is. So this is one part of the industry where, it has got so much of potential. So like that, every segment in India which goes with the tradition has got a lot of potential.
Yeah. And how do you want to see IWMMTA role in this growth, sir?
Basically, IWMMTA in terms of going to the next level, basically as an industry partners, we are all getting together now to set standards in the industry. Today there are no standards in the industry for machines. So we need to set certain standards, because there are a lot of people buy machines and they end up buying wrong machines. They end up buying very, very poor quality machines.
Undercapacity or overcapacity.
Overcapacity. They don't know which machine to buy. So basically it is setting certain standards where we deliver certain quality standards on the machines, and also categorize it. We don't have any category in machines as on today. So basically categorizing the machinery segment. We have solid wood, we have plywood, we have panel processing, which is growing very fast, and soft seating, which also comes under furniture. So we need to categorize every category of furnitures, where people are giving machines. So we need to also have categories in this. And of course, training is one part where we need to train operators. Trained manpower today is the biggest thing, and where the industry is going towards 5 axes and a lot of CNCs. we don't have in India, if you say a single operator for, a good operator for 5-axis CNC
Yeah.
machines. So I think the way things are catching up, we need to go very, very fast, in doing this thing up.
Yeah.
So like I said, there are lot many things that need to be done going forward for IWMMTA, and we hope to take this forward in the same momentum now. Yeah.